What is up, guys? Welcome to Filmora 12.5 AI Tools tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the amazing features of Filmora's AI tools that can take your video editing to the next level. We'll cover AI copywriting, AI image, AI Smart Cutout, AI portrait, and AI audio stretch. Let's dive in. First up, we have AI copywriting. With Filmora's AI copywriting feature, powered by the ChatGPT API, you can effortlessly create scripts, titles, and descriptions for your videos. Simply input your desired text and let the AI generate compelling and engaging content for your video projects. It's a time-saving tool that can help you enhance your storytelling. Next, we have AI image. This feature allows you to transform your words into stunning art directly within Filmora. With AI image, you can input text, select a style, and the AI will generate beautiful visuals based on your input. It's a fantastic way to add unique and eye-catching elements to your videos. Now let's talk about AI Smart Cutout. Have you ever wanted to remove unwanted objects or background from your clips? With AI Smart Cutout, powered by advanced AI technology, you can easily select, track, and edit out any undesirable elements from your footage. This tool saves you valuable time by automating the process and delivering precise results. Moving on to AI Portrait. This feature is perfect for enhancing your video's visual appeal. With AI Portrait, you can remove the background from your footage with impressive accuracy. Additionally, Filmora offers over 70 AI portrait and sticker effects that you can apply to your videos. Plus, it automatically recognizes faces and adds augmented reality stickers for an added touch of creativity. Lastly, we have AI Audio Stretch. When you need to fit an audio track to the duration of your video, AI Audio Stretch comes to the rescue. This tool allows you to retime any audio track to match the length of your video almost instantly. It's a handy feature that ensures your audio and visuals are perfectly synchronized. And that wraps up our tutorial on Filmora's AI tools. We've explored the incredible capabilities of AI copywriting, AI image, AI Smart Cutout, AI Portrait, and AI Audio Stretch. These tools can elevate your video editing experience by saving time and enhancing the quality of your projects. So, go ahead, give them a try, and unleash your creativity with Filmora's AI-powered features. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.